People sometimes wonder why, with all the marvels that science can design and build, it cannot build a good replacement for the heart. As medical science learns more about the heart, it becomes clear that replacing this complex mass of muscles is more difficult than first thought. Your heart is about the size of your fist, really surprisingly small for the job it does. The heart is a pump with valves, tubing, and an electrical system. Researchers describe it as an, quote, incredibly intelligent organ. When you need more circulation, it senses this and speeds its pumping action. Like everything else God has created, the heart is not a simple organ limited to only one job. The heart is custom designed to do many jobs well, and to this day, doctors cannot tell you why one apparently healthy heart stops beating and another does not. Life itself is more than just an organ. It is a gift of our Creator to each of us.